Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start where replacements live, the keyboard settings. Open Settings, then General, then Keyboard on Mac OS. Use System Preferences and the Text tab. Once open, tap or click Text Replacement to reveal the list. This is the Control Center. Add a new shortcut with the plus button and enter the phrase and shortcut fields. Make changes now so you can test immediately. Save or close the editor. You'll need these exact labels to trigger replacements across apps. If you already have entries, pick one to modify first. Now refine how replacements behave by editing phrase and shortcut precisely. You should consider capitalization, punctuation, and trailing spaces because those affect matching. Once edited, test in Notes or a chat box to verify expansion and timing. Some keyboards apply replacements only after a space or punctuation. If you need conditional behavior, create distinct shortcuts. Use a prefix like for commands. Make sure to delete duplicates to avoid conflicts. Adjust until replacements finish by syncing and backing up your work so changes follow you. Enable iCloud or the System Sync option. Once done, give devices a minute to merge. If you're doing many edits, export a backup or screenshot entries so you can restore them. If replacements stop working, troubleshoot. Toggle sync off and on, restart the device, or remove conflicting duplicates. Make sure third-party keyboards aren't blocking system replacements. If problems persist, recreate the affected entry. That often clears hidden issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.